Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to redeem Lyft Gift Card. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Lyft Gift Card. So here it is. Simply tap on this website over here. Now click on Send a Gift. Here we can see various gift designs over here. You can choose any of this, choose the amount you want and enter the email address and enter the delivery date. After gift card details is completed, now click on Buy Now. Choose the credit or debit card from here and click on Apply if you have any promotional gift card or voucher. Once you have selected the payment method, click on Use this payment method over here. After this, the Lyft gift card will be redeemed. So this is all. This is how we can redeem Lyft gift card. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.